Nexo Value Forecast Synopsis. Nexo, by and large, is expected to truly arrive at a really most extreme cost of $2.34 continuously 2025, or so they especially thought. Long-haul examination recommends that Nexo cost might actually flood to $1,180.48 by 2050, with a fundamentally possible reach somewhere in the range of $1,128.98 and $1,310.80. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Nexo in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $15.69 mark, which especially is very huge. The negative cost expectation for Nexo in 2040 really is $836.99, with an exceptionally likely kind of high of $1,005.82, which generally is genuinely huge. Continuous information shows Nexo is exchanging at $0.9711 in an extremely enormous manner. Starting around 11 January 2024, Nexo by and large is exchanging at $0.9711 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 1.07% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, showing that examiners project a bullish pattern for Nexo in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $15.69 mark, or so they really thought. Nexo sort of has an all-out market cap of $543,819,663, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,632,456, which basically is genuinely huge. This sort of makes Nexo most certainly positioning at 107 in the digital money market in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. In the event that you certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2024, what will Nexo by and large be truly worth in 2024, which explicitly is very huge? Is Nexo a genuinely wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2024 in a genuinely enormous manner? Will Nexo cost fundamentally outperform its record-breaking high in an unpretentious manner? These generally are our Nexo cost expectations for Nex's future in a fundamentally huge manner. Nexo Value Expectation 2024. As per the Nexo Conjecture Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2024, the Nexo cost in every way that really matters is supposed to fundamentally cross an essentially normal value level of $1.39, the normal kind of least value worth of Nexo, toward the finish of the by and large current year, ought to be $1.36 in an extremely huge manner. Besides, Nexo can explicitly arrive at a greatest value level of $1.63 in an essentially significant manner. Nexo Value Figure January 2024. In January 2024, the cost of Nexo truly is determined to by and large be at around an especially least worth of $0.9305, which sort of is genuinely critical. The Nexo value worth can by and large arrive at a kind of limit of $1.05, with the typical exchanging worth of $1.02 in United States dollars, certainly further appearance how besides Nexo can for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $1.63 in an especially enormous manner. Nexo Value Conjecture February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of Nexo generally is gauged to generally be at around a base worth of $0.9896 in an unpretentious manner. The Nexo value worth can explicitly arrive at a by and large limit of $1.10, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $1.04 in United States dollars. Nexo Value Conjecture Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the cost of Nexo essentially is estimated to for the most part be at around an exceptionally least worth of $1.03 in an extremely large manner. The Nexo value worth can really arrive at a for the most part limit of $1.14, with the very normal exchanging worth of $1.08 in United States dollars amazingly. Nexo Value Figure April 2024. The Nexo cost for April 2024 may explicitly arrive at a kind of least worth of $1.06, while the especially greatest determined cost especially is around $1.18 in an unpretentious manner. The really normal cost for Nexo for the most part is for the most part anticipated to in a real sense reach $1.11 in April 2024 in a very significant way. Nexo Value Estimate May 2024. In May 2024, in every practical sense, most extreme cost for Nexo could by and large stretch around $1.23. Truly further appearance how the Nexo value worth can especially arrive at in every practical sense, limit of $1.14, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of $1.08 in United States dollars, which all things considered, is very huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of Nexo in May 2024 in every practical sense is $1.09 with an in every practical sense normal cost of $1.13 in a kind of large manner. Nexo value figure June 2024. In June 2024, the kind of greatest cost for Nexo could stretch around $1.28 in a very significant manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Nexo in June 2024 essentially is $1.11, with a typical cost of $1.16. Nexo value gauge July 2024. The Nexo estimate for July 2024 expects that the Nexo may truly arrive at an especially greatest worth of $1.34, with a really least cost of around $1.15, which especially is very critical. Discussing the very normal value Nexo can for the most part stretch around $1.19 for July, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Nexo value estimate August 2024. With respect to August 2024, Nexo certainly is supposed to especially arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of $1.17, or so they truly thought. The Nexo cost could for the most part arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $1.40, with the especially normal cost around $1.22 in a huge manner. Nexo value estimate September 2024. The especially normal cost of Nexo could truly go to $1.26 toward the finish of September 2024, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo could fundamentally be exchanging around a very greatest worth of $1.46, with the genuinely least expected cost of $1.22. Nexo value expectation October 2024. The cost of Nexo really is fundamentally anticipated to generally reach at an especially least worth of $1.27 in October 2024, or so they explicitly thought. The Nexo cost could basically arrive at a most extreme worth of $1.51, with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $1.31 all through 2024. Truly further appearance how explicitly is Nexo an excellent speculation or exceptionally worth purchasing in 2024, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo value gauge November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Nexo in a real sense is estimated to be at around a base worth of $1.31 in an exceptionally significant manner. The Nexo value worth can for the most part arrive at an exceptionally limit of $1.56, with the very normal exchanging worth of $1.35 in United States dollars, which sort of is very huge. Nexo value expectation December 2024. The cost for Nexo in December 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $1.36 and $1.63 in a fundamentally significant manner. While the truly normal